So approaching this slip road, ominously quiet. Usually it's either empty or there's a wave of lorries coming through. So rightly so, my pupil slows down, waits, and one lorry, van next to it couldn't move over. Bit of a gap, but again, my car takes 11 seconds to get to 60. I don't think in front of that logging lorry with the other lorries behind it that would have been a good idea either. Pupil's done really well so far. And finally, another lorry, and we decide to move. So my pupil did really well, and that's exactly what you should do. The guy behind, who was actually smoking a cigarette, I think might have been lighting it right now. You can't see that because they've got a wide-angle lens on. Now blocks my view as a driving instructor, and this is really difficult. He's remonstrating, waving his hands at me as if I've done something really heinous. I mean, I think I've just saved his life personally, but obviously the air ambulance lift might have excited him. Nice gap there behind that, and that's what you should do.